So I've been and bought another tractor. Sat beside the seaside at Dingwall for 2 years apparently. So it's got the steel rot in it. It does run, like we've had it running, but it's going to need a full service to get the oil changed and filters changed and started with Aerostart. The back end oil will have to be changed as well because the water's been getting in down through there. I found a number plate attached to the front, so I'm going to see that. What my plan is to take that cab off and then I'll get it into the tractor shed and I can work on it in there. It's leaking diesel there, look. Somebody must have put some diesel in just to get it to go. That's no big deal. It's sweet enough when it's running. So it's a 996, I think. According to the chewed up bonnet. That's a 6. There's a bit of aluminium somebody's popped on. Oh, should be an air breather there. Yeah, air breather goes on there. It's got one headlight left. I've just taken the battery. Oh, I found another bit of the number plate there. Look, that's a B. It's an 8. Unless it was an 8. It's a bit of a glory hole. It's got front weights, which is good because I'm hoping to use a forklift on it. It's got power steering, which is excellent for you or me. And it can lift 1,900 kilos with the back lift apparently. So with the forklift on you could easily lift a ton bag. So a lot of steel work to repair over a period of time, excuse me. Probably do the mechanics first. There's a water leak somewhere. I would think I'll drain all the water out it in case the frost gets it. And the guy I bought it from delivered it for me for a reasonable price. And I bought it at a reasonable price, so this is my next project. I don't have Pickham. I actually bought it without seeing it. Well, I saw a video of it running and it sounded okay, so we just bought it. He types offers, but they're all trying to knock the price down. I just accepted his price and that was that. So there you go. David Brown 996, did I say? Something to do over the winter.